exciting action we're seeing, and of course the fans are loving it, Anne. And for us here in the panel, we get to choose the prettiest face in the crowd. And for this game, our Shakey's face of the game is Abby Gutierrez. Our Shakey's face of the game, she's 19 years old. Taga Marilao, Bulacan lang
Malapit
naman.
lang naman.
Walking distance.
Walking distance lang.
Abby Gutierrez, our Shakey's face of the game. She gets a free pizza from Shakey's, and sulit na. Kahit na galing Marilao, Bulacan si Abby, naging Shakey's face of the game. She gets to enjoy a free pizza, and nakapagod pa ng ganitong klaseng laro.
Nakakita ng ganyan kagandang palo. Tinan mo itong si Kainglet and Mize just really having exchanges of their own. Look at this. Showcasing their talent.
And kung yung Phil Kainglet, hindi pwedeng iwanan ng single block. Also din itong Aiza Maizo. Nice serve from C-Mac. Oh, nice set for Z. Semana. To Maizo again.
Oh, and this time, we get a successful block from Ateneo.
That time, they learned from what happened the previous play. Hindi talaga pwede. They had that solid double block up, and that made it harder for Maizo.
And that's what you like in a team. You see that Ateneo easily adjusts.
Yes.
Hindi naghihintay ng magta-time out pa si coach for them to actually change something.
Hervasio, set up for Phil. Too close. They go back to Maizo.
Oh, Aiza was just running towards the ball.
Well, medyo bitin, no? Yung set from Guangco. Now Ateneo making a run. Down by 1, 16-17. Itong si Z nagpalit na ng serve, no? Nice save from Lazaro. Inside.
Oh, look at Phil. Getting her eye on the target.
We're tied at 17. And Z Hervasio, is she reverting back to the jump serve? Wow, and she doesn't.
Oh, look at Aliza talaga, no? The effort of really running after the ball. Parang instinct sa kanya, no matter how far the ball is.
That's right. Aiza Maizo asking for the set to be put out there, you know, palabasin pa ng konti.
Dahil syempre left-handed ito si Aiza.
Guangco with a good serve to Lazaro. Manzano. That was Valdez.
To Phil once again. You know, I saw Phil look at that area where she wanted to bring the ball. Nakita ko bago nag-approach, tumingin.
Yun ang isang hallmark ng nag-iisip na player, no?
Hindi yung palo lang ng palo. Because she really paused there. She paused at that moment.
Scouting the floor defense of the opponent before actually going up and for the hit, no? Oh!
Yan naman si Wendy. Walang tingin-tingin. Alam ko na kung saan ko dadalhin.
Paano niya makikita nasa likod niya?
Walang tingin yun.
Walang, pag may mata sa likod.
Mata sa likod. Sa batok niya.
Wendy Semana, of course, a star setter for the FU squad a couple of years back.
Not just a setter. In fact, she was an all-around player for the Lady Tams.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Aiza Maizo, medyo itapon nyo pa palabas because tama ka, she's a left-hander and she wants those sets. Yeah, and that's a better one.
And she has more options if it's, you know, set far on the left. But I think, like what we said, there's still some adjustments going on because Aiza Maizo is new in the team and kailangan mag-adjust sa setting ni Semana.
20-18, the Air Force has kept Ateneo at bay.
Oh, Phil Kainglet, though, cannot be stopped.
Ami Guangco not able to put the ball up. Phil is up to serve. Lady Eagles down by a point. 19-20 here in set number 2. Aiza Maizo!
How can you go wrong with that? And I think Semana and Maizo now getting the
gelling together.
In terms of setting, look at this.
Dito wala siyang problema because being a natural lefty, yan talagang medyo kahit bitin yan.
And that's her totoong position eh. Back in USC, yun talaga yung nilalaro niya.
Oh my goodness. Muntik Oh, how did Alyssa Valdez get that over? Let's see what Alyssa does with it. Again, safely through percentage play. Now it's a free ball for Ateneo. You've got Patnongon and Alyssa.
To Alyssa, of course. Back row to Aiza.
Oh, nice down the line from the back. Ito mahirap.
Oh, mahirap na yun.
Patnongon was actually there, but she gave way to Alyssa.
And it was difficult for Alyssa, yung momentum niya kasi towards the net eh.
Moing Martelino right there in the blue shirt with Eleanor in the white. Of course, Sports Vision bringing to you top-level women's volleyball action here in the Shakey's V-League Open Conference. Again, Aiza Maizo with a good serve. What a save from the Air Force. Return play for Ateneo Patnongon.
Oh, and she gets it. And this is what we're looking for because everyone's expecting Valdez to be given the ball. Yung isang bigay niya Ferrer kay Patnongon, hindi in-expect yun.
That's right. Right, Jem Ferrer serves up to Maizo. Cherry Makatangay, good coverage by De Ramos.
Oh, how can you stop that? You can see the reach.
Yung wind up yung maganda eh. Talagang yung kasa nung kamay, no?
Makikita mo, she really takes time in doing the proper approach. Hindi nagmamadali.
Yung rhythm nung palo, nandun yun ang maganda doon. Let's look at the form of Alyssa Valdez.
Look at this. We didn't see much, but you see that, alam mo yun, parang when she starts the approach, she really takes time to yung tamang footwork, tamang arm swing.
Exactly. And always gets yung ball contact at the peak of her swing. Good defense by Lazaro. They go back to Alyssa.
Oh, look at how smart this girl is. And, you know, she's just happy.
Oh, my goodness. After hitting that power hit, of course, you can expect that the Air Force was, you know, anticipating a power hit. Oh!
But Jem Ferrer sends that straight into the net. This gives the Philippine Air Force
that's a backbreaker, and you've got the momentum. You just tied Air Force at 22. You throw away a point. Now it's Wendy's turn to serve. Safely over.
Oh, but Alyssa hindi magpapapigil this girl. When you need a point, she's there.
23 all. It's a nail-biter here in the second set. Patnongon.
Now this is going to be a test.
That's right, a crucial serve for Patnongon. Nice serve to Resho. Cherry Makatangay to Jem Ferrer, Z Hervasio.
Oh, block! But that time, you see, the ball was actually going over already. So it was very easy for the Philippine Air Force blockers to get a hand on the ball.
And the score now is the Air Force at set point, 24-23. De Ramos getting the serve in. Let's see what happens. Of course, they go to Alyssa. Dumping it. Good save by Manzano. C-Mac. Cross court. Good dig.
Zeal gets a drop. And they get it. Now this is what makes volleyball really exciting.
Exciting. People love it. The fans here are just ecstatic.
I know. A lot of the fans are now torn between these two teams. They came in for Ateneo, but at the same time, you know, you just can't help but you be amazed with the Philippine Air Force.
Maizo with a good reception. Go to Cherry.
Oh, very clean shot. Ito sinasabi ni Cherry siguro, girls, this is how you do it. I've been doing this for so long.
Been there, done that.
But now she moves to the back row, getting ready to serve. We have Guangco, Manzano, and Maizo.
Yon ang mahirap doon because now Alyssa...
Natatanggal ang headset ng partner ko. Sobrang excited.
Oh my goodness! The Air Force with a 2-set lead in this match after that service ace. from Cherry
As
Makatangay.
you take a look at that shaky shake and play, that service ace from Cherry
And
Makatangay.
guess who was it against?
Nako.
Diba? Lisa
Valdez.
Valdez. Oh my goodness. We'll be back with an exciting third set after this break.
It's perfect.